Hello everybody. So today we are going to be destroying the controls of the washer and dryer because our washer has a problem. It won't spin. So let's celebrate by destroying the controls in 3, 2, 1. That was fun. Alright, let's see if we can get this one out. Okay, I don't think I can peel that one out, but whatever. Okay, now let's destroy the dryer. And this thing, goodbye, and the timer dial. Wow, look at all the lint in there. Okay, the timer dial's broke. And wow, that hurt me, but I'm okay. Anyways, the controls are broken now. Do the thing what we want to do. But let's cut that switch. Goodbye, forever. Goodbye, dryer. Okay, one last chance if I can pop the washer dial out. All done. Bye washer, and goodbye dryer. You will be missed forever. Bye bye.